name's Corporal Antic, and I'm the crew chief of Amphibious Assault Vehicle 103.
Alright, go.
The Marine Corps and the MEU utilizes us to transfer infantry personnel from ship to shore.
We have smoke generation systems, so when we're going out and we're about to hit the beach, we'll flip them on, create a smoke screen so the enemy can't see us.
Once we hit the beaches, we'd let off the infantry and we'd follow alongside of the ground units. We would use our 50 caliber Mark 19 to provide maximum firepower. An AAV is a direct reflection of the Marine Corps. It pretty much shows how amphibious we are. When I first saw this vehicle, I honestly thought it was the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. But if you take care of it, it's going to take care of you in the long run.
We're about to extract.
I'm Mining Chief Petty Officer Philip Phillips, LCAC Craftmaster, LCAC being Landing Craft Air Cushion. My job as a craftmaster, I drive the boat. I'm overall in control of a $33 million craft and all its occupants. We've got 2 lift fans. They produce approximately 1 million cubic feet of air every second. 2 ETF-40 Bravo main engines, variable pitch propellers. They provide my propulsion as well as my braking. I can do approximately 50 knots on flat seas, about 16,000 total horsepower on this craft. The ship can kick us out over the horizon, and we can come in multiple waves and surprise the enemy coming into different beach fronts. We're a faster initial hit to get Marines and equipment on the beach. LCAC Special Kitchen is a mix of both worlds. We wear flight suits and we kind of hover 4 to 6 inches off the water, so we're technically flying, but we can still go hull-borne and just sit on the ocean. So we're essentially an air hockey puck trying to drive around.
We're about to extract.
I'm Captain Ichi.
Captain George Ziegler.
This is the AH-1 Super Cobra.
Captain Ichi and I have been flying together now for about 2 years.
We really rely on each other for lookout on the instruments and on the outside of the aircraft. Team effort between the 2 pilots. Our customer is Ground Combat Element. Whenever they need to put rounds downrange, they call it the Cobra.
A long time ago, I was a prior enlisted guy, and when I was in Iraq, got to see close air support. After that point, I wanted to be a Cobra pilot because that was the nitty-gritty, to provide the actual fires on deck.
We have 20mm cannon, fire 650 rounds per minute, and then our Hellfire missile. Allow 68 the ability to carry 7.75-inch rockets. The Allow 61 carry 19 rockets.
Push this little button right here, and that'll fire your rockets off.
Put one personality of the Cobra, it'd be attack.
It is a singular mission for the Cobra. Like Captain Ichi said, that's attack. That is what we do, and we specialize in that. Pride ourselves very highly on being the best at it.
We're about to extract. Light it up. Right now we're in our staging area. We're going to load up onto our helos and our LZ, and then from there begin our movement over to our objective, which is combat now. All right, so we just landed at our LZ, and now we're going to start pushing our way south towards our objective. Right there. This is the town. You can already see it. Hey, contact your tree line! Contact on the right side tree line! Hey, right there, right there! Hey, we got someone on my side! Support! Johnson! All right, so we just got done clearing the objective. Our priorities are to find information like intel that is prudent. So possible attacks, maps. And now we begin our exfil back to the LZ for extract. Mission accomplished. We're about to extract.